Here you can see. So it is adjustable headphone. So the voice quality is very good. I can't listen my voice great. Welcome back to another unboxing video of this channel. In the previous video we have unboxed Onikuma X20 gaming headphone. But in this video we will unbox Onikuma B90 gaming headphone. This is Bluetooth headphone with high audio quality and noise cancellation. You can see the headphone design with some colors here, here and here. And there are some features you can read here. And some other features are also here. So let's unbox this and then we'll see the quality of audio and mic. So let's unbox this. We will unbox from here. So here is our headphone, Onikuma B90 headphone. The headphone, and what is in it? Some instruction book. You can see that B90 Onikuma instruction book, which we never read. And one wire, and the box is empty. And the wire, this is charging wire. Alright, so here you can see for the audio you can directly use headphone without battery, and this is for the charging. This is B type cable, you can see here, and this is headphone wire. You can see both wires. So let's open the main thing of this video. So first you can see the packing, which is also very good. I really like this packing. You can see, and here is our headphone. Here you can see, and here you can see the headphone. This is for the females. You can see how it is packed. So it is adjustable headphone. Adjust this headphone like this, and the color is also very good. And here you can see there's some designs, and here's our button. You can see here the quality, very soft. I really like the standard design of this headphone. So let's turn on this and see the voice quality first. So let's press the turn on button. Okay, I have turned on this button, and here you can see the lighting from the right side, on the left side, top side, which is really good. So now let's try to use. So let's connect this into my laptop. Alright, it is connected now. Now let me turn on some music. So let's increase the voice. I think here the plus button. So the voice quality is very good. I can't listen my voice great. So the voice quality of this headphone is superb. I can say that the X20 and B90 voice quality is almost same. So +1 for the voice quality. Now let's connect some wire and see that how it works without Bluetooth. So let me turn off and let me connect this wire. Alright, so the wire is connected. Now let's see. Perfect. And for the lighting, if we are not using the headphone for the lighting, we have to use this wire. And for the charge, we also have to use this. So let me try to use this and see that how the charging works. So the wire of this headphone is very small. So this we can use this for only charging. So we have to insert here. So here you can see that our headphone is on charging mode. So let's check the mic quality, which we have not checked yet. So I have connected Bluetooth mode into my laptop. Now let's see the mic quality. So the voice which you are listening is coming from these headphones. So you can tell me that how is the mic quality of this headphone. So I hope you like this video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. See you soon.